Hello there and welcome to AutoTweets. My name is Stephen Hall, I'm the creator of AutoTweets, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this system to set up a completely automated business. Now, the really incredible thing is you can set up your business tonight, and from tomorrow morning, so when you get out of bed tomorrow morning, you will have an internet business that's going to provide you with a passive income for the rest of your life, and you never even have to think about it again. Now there's a small disclaimer here, it's not completely passive, you're going to have to put a little bit of work in. But when I say a little bit of work, I really do mean little. It takes less than 1 minute per day. So it's 99.999% passive. You will need to invest 1 minute per day after tonight. What you're going to do tonight is going to take you a few hours, but after that, the system is almost passive. But I need to tell you a bit about the business. I also want to tell you a little bit about my history and where AutoTweets comes from. I'm going to take you behind the scenes of AutoTweets so you can see what it's like for the members of AutoTweets, what the control panel looks like, and what the system is like in the members area. And I'm going to show you one of my Twitter accounts and the way that AutoTweets is using that Twitter account to create money for me completely passively. So we've got quite a bit to get through. So I guess first of all I should tell you a tiny bit about my history with AutoTweets. I retired in March of 2003. While I'm making this video, it's now 2016. The date today, it's actually my anniversary today, so for a change I do know the date. It is the 5th of October 2016. I've been with my girlfriend for 1 year today, so we got together on 5/10/15, which I think was pretty cool. So today is our first year anniversary, so please feel free to send congratulations. So as I'm making this video, obviously you're not going to be watching this today, but whatever day it is in the future now, bear in mind that I made this video on the 5th of October 2016, on my anniversary of the first year of being with my girlfriend. And so I've been kind of retired from the rat race for 13 years, plus maybe 6 or so months. In the early days, I set up an internet business and it was a serious struggle. It was a grind. I used to spend hours and hours shut in my bedroom working on my internet business, and it wasn't really that glamorous. I was making enough money so that I didn't have to go to work. I was covering all my bills, and I did have a little bit extra to spend on kind of little luxuries, but I was putting in a lot of hours. I was probably working maybe 12 or 13 hours a day, and that's 6 or 7 days a week, so that's a lot more than I was working in my day job. So I used to tell people, yeah, I'm retired, I make money from the internet, but in reality, I was a slave to my own business, which was kind of crazy. So I started looking for ways that I could make money from the internet, which were they were passive or they were automatic, or ways that I could put in, like a bit of work at the beginning, and then the system would continue working for me. So I learned how to program, how to code, I learned about databases, and I learned about using automation software and systems that I could leverage in order to be able to set up a way of making money that is truly passive. And AutoTweets really does do that. So when you use this system, as I say, you can set this up tonight. Now you don't need a website or a product, you don't need a list or anything like that. You don't even need a Twitter account. You can set this up on a completely fresh Twitter account. You can do it tonight. I'm going to guide you through the process, and it's going to take you just a few hours. The way that you're going to do this, in the members area, I've got some video tutorials that you need to follow. You simply play the video, you pause, and then you do what I've just done. Once you've done that, you play the video again, you do whatever it is I'm doing, and you pause, and you keep on going through like this until your system is completely set up. Once it's set up, and you should be able to do this tonight, if you want to take your time and do some tonight, some tomorrow, that's fine. But once you've set this up, so hopefully tonight, by tomorrow morning, when you wake up, you won't have to think about this again, unless you choose to build your business manually. then it's just going to take you about 1 minute per day. So that's almost passive. I think we could really call that passive. But if you want it to be 100% passive, so you never have to think about it, you can pay an external company to do that 1 minute per day for you, and then the whole system would be completely hands-free. The system will build over time, and it does make you money. The money is completely passive, and once you set everything up, the money just goes straight into your bank account, so you don't even have to cash checks. It is really, really cool. So without further ado, and we've got to crack on with this because I have my girlfriend coming home quite soon, and I've got champagne and flowers, and I've got to go out, and we're going to have a meal, and we're going to go out to a really nice restaurant. So I've got to get on and get this video finished. So I'm going to take you first of all into my Twitter account and show you how this is working for me. Then I'm going to take you behind the scenes on AutoTweets to show you what the members of AutoTweets see when they log in, and the way they set up their business, and exactly what you're going to see when you become a member yourself. So first things first, let's take a look at one of my Twitter accounts. This account is all about the law of attraction. Now, I've got 9 different Twitter accounts.